Hello, my dear. So right now I am my coaching. So they are my student, and you can meet him. I will introduce one by one. But a few students did not come today. I don't know why they did not come, but yeah. So he is my student. He is a Krishna.
Hello,
He is a
guys.
good in his speaking. He is an intermediate level. When he joined the my coaching, so he was below the beginner level. And but now right now he is a very good in his speaking. And after 2 months, he, definitely I can say he will be fluent in English. So you can check. How are you, my dear?
I am fine, and sir, you?
Yes, I am also very wonderful. So can you tell me something, and who want to learn English? Can you give some suggestion to them?
Yeah, my father suggests to me you can learn English because English is a skill. It is not a language. If you learn English as a language, so it is not possible to learn English. That's why I am learn the English.
Okay. So he mentioned well point. If we treat English as a subject, so definitely it will be hardful to us to learn English. But if we treat as a language, and at it's we can learn if we are living in an environment. So definitely we are unknowingly learn the English. So it's we need an environment only to learn English. Am I right or not?
Yes.
Okay. So here you are getting the environment or not?
Yes.
So all are getting the environment. So my dear, tell me, if someone want to learn English, so would you suggest to them anything, any institute? Listen carefully, they are saying Speak Well Institute. So join Speak Well Institute if you really want to learn English. So I come, Miss Anjali. So Miss Anjali, when did you join the Speak Well Institute? So at which level you are in English?
Actually, I have joined 1 month before, and now my English speaking skill is very good. And now I am able to speak fluently, and
Okay.
I like this class and enjoy also.
Okay, what are the faculties in this institute?
Yeah, your faculty is also very friendly and nice.
Okay, very great.
Yeah.
So there she is saying that faculty is also wonderful and friendly and very nice. Okay, so I am also agree with this. Okay, so now I come with Mr. Sivam. So Mr. Sivam,
Yes, sir.
when did you join my institute?
Sir, before 3 or 4 months time.
Okay, so he joined before 3 or 4 months ago. So now you are fluent in English or not?
Yeah, sir, I think I am good.
But I want to tell you that he's a very good in grammar. So I can definitely say when I give him any article or essay or letter anything, so he write beautiful and add very wonderfully, and he add advanced vocabulary. So he's a very nice in speaking and as well as in writing also. And grammar is very fun. In grammar, very fantastic. So he is my. I listen carefully that if you really want to learn English and you want to be fluent in English, so you can join Speak Well Institute. Hello, have a nice.